Hi. Thanks for checking it out. I wanted to introduce you to Quinnen and hear him talk a little bit. So here's the starting point.
Hot.
Hot?
We say this is a back. This is a spoon. This is a spoon.
A spoon? Yes, that is a spoon. Thank you.
This is a spoon.
Okay.
This is a spoon. This is hot.
What is that one? That is a wine bottle opener. That's a little complicated, huh? Can you say bottle opener? It's for bottles. Can you say hi? You see yourself? Come on, buddy. Let's sit down. Let's sit down. Look, I have some rice for you. Rice. You ready? Pinching it. Okay, come on. Sit down at the table. Remember, you were all excited because you won some rice.
Rice.
That's right. Rice. You ready? Okay, let's put this down.
Diet. There's a breakfast.
Breakfast. Those are French fries. Some French fries and some rice. Can you blow on it?
Spoon.
Spoon. You need a spoon. You have a fork.
A book.
What are you doing? You stirring it?
What is that? Fugisaki. For my bag.
You like?
It's good.
It's good.
Liquid soup. Yeah. It is soup.
I don't know what you're saying, bud, but good job eating. I love you. I love you. Can I have a kiss? Can I have a kiss?
Where's soup? This is soup. Is soup?
A spoon. You did a good job. So, that's a little bit of where we're at these days. And hope to give you guys an update soon. Bye-bye.